Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow mention on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! So, before we go to the tutorial, I will show you that I can't mention my other account on Instagram. As example, I will show you. I will mention this. This one is my other account. There's a pop-up appear on my screen tell that I can't mention this account because this account doesn't allow everyone to mention them. So you can change who can mention you in settings. Click OK. Now I will switch my account to that account to change the settings. So to allow people to mention you on Instagram, you can open your Instagram account and then tap on your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down and then tap on mentions and tags. You can see there's an options like everyone, people that you follow, and no one. You can change the option to everyone. If you choose everyone, so everyone on Instagram, like your followers or followers you follow back, can mention you on Instagram, like on comment, story. If you choose people that you follow, only people that you follow can mention you on Instagram. I will choose everyone so everyone can mention me on Instagram. So that is how to allow people to mention you on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!